Okay, good morning everyone and welcome in today's class. Okay, and thank you for joining today's class on time. Today's topic is little interesting, little different, nothing to be do on the technical stuff, but interesting and important from the management perspective. I want to know that how many of my students, how many of these participants, 7 or 8 participants, how many completed CMDB course? How many of them completed incident management details or the course? I want to know that how many of you actually know about CMDB in the background. I want to know how many time I give you the questions to be identified in the background and give me the answer. So these 5 or 6 points is starting from the one word. How? What number I need? I need a number that, okay, how many times Shilpi was on leave? Okay. How many time? अरे नहीं उमा भेजना नहीं था इसको अभी ग्रुप में मत भेजो इसको. Let people to identify. Let's delete this image. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let people identify. ठीक है. So I want to know how many time Santosh was not available in the call. How many time or what is the count you guys are doing practice till date? Yes, all these things are not important for a developer, are not important for a, I can say, admin. But all these things are important for management. All these things are important for me. Because being a ServiceNow trainer, being a trainer of this particular batch, I want to know that how many times you guys are doing practice. How many times you guys go and identify and search for the answers. Okay. And here we are going to introduce a new concept, basically 2 new concepts called the report and the dashboard. Both are the different things. Number 1 point. Second point, dashboards are depend on the reports. Dashboards are nothing but they are the part of the report only. First you create a report, then it becomes the dashboard for you. Okay. Report means I have individual reports with me. Okay. And dashboard means it is a single point of it is a single place for me where I can go and check everything in a one go. Right? When we watch cricket match, if the what I can say these things on the app, if I get the graphs of running, I can understand, okay, up to this many over, this is the highest over which we get the a lot of runs, or we give the lot of runs. Okay, so these things are the representation of that report. Second point is that ServiceNow give me a flexibility to create any kind of a report, but it's a specific set of any type. If I say you can create bar graphs, histogram, pie chart, donuts, time series, heat map, then I can say pivot table, multiple pivot table, all these things you can create at your end, and those are the sufficient one. My customer is happy by that thing. The only one point you need to be remember, when you create these reports, we call this report as a standard reports, because you guys cannot do any kind of a calculation. Remember, you guys cannot do any kind of calculations in these reports, but you can do any type of the condition in these reports. Narayan, where are you? I can see you on the pause or what? You should have mute you on the pause. Okay. So these things are important for the same. Second point is that Definitely this question come to in your mind as well. In standard report, I can create report on a single table at a given point of time. Definitely question come from Santosh and Dipesh specifically because they are in a place where they are be more on the presenting part, reporting part. Okay. Atul, then what is the benefit of ServiceNow? ServiceNow says, boss, I'm a tool to store your data. I'm not a tool to give you the much information back to you. Okay. Then what is the background? So they says you can create report on 2 or 3 tables in a one go as well. But that we did not call as a standard report. We call those reports as a database view, and then by using that view you can create your report. On the other hand, ServiceNow also say this thing that if you are using the database view, it may or may not impact your performance as well, your system performance as well, because suppose if I'm bringing a report, I'm bringing a data from the 2 different table, incident and the change, and I'm putting multiple conditions in both of the same stuff. So how much time my system will go in the database, fetch the report for me and give the results to me. And that is the reason they avoid this thing, that avoid using database view. You can create the database view. We will have this point in the discussion. It's in my agenda. But try to create database view on the simple table. Don't put the heavy condition on the same part. Another important point before I go to the actual ServiceNow part. If you are a ITIL user in the system, then you can create a report very easily. No special permission are required. Okay. But if you want to do some changes in the report format, header, footer should be different, it should contain some different lines, it should contain some different colors, then you need the report admin role with your name. Only then you can do this particular stuff. Now let me take you on this part. First, we will discuss the reporting stuff. Go here, search for the report. Okay. Scroll down. This is my application. These are my modules. Under that, we have admin as well. See. Okay. One more point which I want to tell you very clearly, and that is the point which you can utilize in front of a customer as a value add. Don't tell to customer every time that it is out of the box. Sometimes we need to be articulate our words and say, no, boss, these are the value addition for you. ServiceNow give me more than 500 reports out of the box available. What you can do, click here, view and run report. Okay. So now here you can see the 4 major section. My reports, group, global, and all. My reports means all the reports which is created by myself. I am the creator of those reports. You can see here created by this group. What says in the group? Report shared by a group or user. Someone share that group report with me as a group or as a user. Global. Reports that are shared as a global, मतलब कि उसको कोई भी use कर सकता है. Anyone can use that report, irrespective of their department and all these things. And all. all reports which are accessible to me. And here I can see the list. If I scroll down, see 894 reports as of now I can see from the out of the box available to me, because I have multiple modules all installed on my system. So हर module का अपना report है, इसलिए मेरे पास count थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. Okay, but if you just talk about the ITSM part, then you will be able to see only 400 to 500 only. Okay, now let me scroll up. पूरा R&D है और कुछ नहीं है ये. Settings are here. Type, title, table. If you want to put anything like this, click here and you can remove. You can see all the other fields has been gone. Normal setting का part है और कुछ नहीं है, nothing else. Okay. And this is again not a personalized one, Tejal. It doesn't mean that I am doing a personalization for myself. Okay. Okay. Now I come to at this point. Show, okay, how many reports you want to show it. Now, okay. By seeing this page, what you guys can understand? Tell me. By seeing this page, what you guys can understand? Bolo.
I mean, it says the list of reports on a given table.
Okay, what next? What else?
If I need to pull a report, I don't need to start from scratch. There are already things available.
Okay. What else? By seeing this page, what are you getting?
It's a what type of report?
Yes, agree.
And
So
we can.
Yeah. Sorry. Yep, Santosh. So by seeing this report, I can identify few of the things. Number one, what type of report it is. These symbols are giving you the clear picture. If I click here, KPI report by the category, right? Pie donuts. You can see type is donut. You can see here, right? And the second line, type is pivot table, line, number or series. See, type is single score. Okay, so this page give you the information that which type of report you can getting if you click on these things, on which table this has been created. Okay, now suppose if I want to see this report, that what result it will give, I can just go and click here. Okay, and it will load a page for me. Reports generally take little time to be loaded because it's bringing the background data as well. So now you can see here, this is my report. Okay, definitely Dipesh has a question in the mind. Atul, you are showing the reports which is already built up. I want to build my own report, and I want to understand what are the purpose of these particular columns or the symbols and all these things, right? Let's create one report now, and then I'll explain you the things. One thing which is important here to be understand, if you want to create a report on any of the table, better you go and search here first. I want to create a report on the incident table. So I have these many reports available from the ServiceNow as out of the box. Okay, so fine. So you can get a report from here as well. So why these things are I'm telling you, because if you are telling this information to your customer, so you should tell to them, boss, before you create your own report, please go and search it here. That is this report available already or not? Let me go for a change. These many reports are available to me. Let me go to the CMDB. Now see, CMDB you can search from any word. CMDB. If I search for the CMDB, I'm getting these reports. These are on the tables. These are the report name. CI. See, again things has been changed. Configuration. Item. Right? So it is up to you that how you want to identify the inbuilt report available for you or not. Okay. So very simple thing, nothing to be worried on that part. Let me take you on the reporting part now. Go here. And type your report. And one more thing, I'll not give you the complete picture. You guys need to create at least 1 or 2 different reports on the different tables. Create new. So when you click create new, you are getting 4 tabs here: data, type, configuration, and style, and report title. What is the report name for me? Batch 2. What is the source type? Let me put as a table as of now. Data source, I'll tell you, but not now. That is not much required as of now. Did you guys remember that when we're doing the transform map, we have a data source concept? Yes or no? Anyone
Yes.
remember?
Yes.
The same thing data source work here as well. Okay. This is homework for you guys. Dipesh, just put in the chat box. You need to create 1 report or 2 reports with the help of the data source. Okay, table I'll show you, data source, because you know the data source, that how it's work. Then table, these things, and create report with your name only, batch 2 with your name. Okay, let me put the table here. On which table I want to create a report? Actually, this is a wrong word. On which table is not, it's the right word. The thing is that from which table you want to see the results actually. So I want to see the results from, let me take a table of the, which table we should take up, incident or change or problem knowledge or CMDB. अरे बताओ कोई भी table.
CMDB.
Okay. CMDB underscore CI. That is my base table, right? इसको ऐसे search करते हैं, otherwise it will take a lot of time. Configuration item. This is CMDB underscore CI. Now, if you want to put any description, you can put it here. To add description, okay. Acha, we don't have a rights here to be add description. No worries. Don't worry about this particular field here. Okay, I'll tell you this thing later on. Come to the type. What type of report you want? You want bar graphs, number 1. You need pie or donuts, number 2. You need the time series, number 3. Multi-dimensional, number 4. You need the single scores here. You want the other type of reports: calendar, boxes, funnel icon, map, single pivot, pyramid, trend box, trend. ये सभी तरह का रिपोर्ट्स मेरे पास अवेलेबल है out of the box. Let me say I want to create a map. मुझे मैप की तरह से कुछ चाहिए. Configure. What you want to show on the map? Display data table, configure function field. What is this? Let's see. Oh, it take on the mapping part. Okay, leave it as of now. Don't go for this part. Map this data. I want to put. He said, when I said that, okay, I want a report on the CMDB table, and it should be the map part. It giving me the option that on the map, what you want to see. I want to see the CI asset as per location or CI item owned by location. I said CI item as per the asset location. What map you want? On which map? Set map, world, or let me say, if I have India here, yes, I want to see on the India map. Style. Style is basically to give you the little bit stuff here. Let me click on the run. And now you can see your results. Luckily हमारे पास इंडिया के मैप में कुछ नहीं है assets. What I'll do, I'll go here and put the world map and click on the run. See. You can see here. In US, I have 352 assets. In Mexico, I have 11. In Colombia, I have 20. In China, I have 35. Japan, 63. Australia, 40. These things. So this is the way that I can create my report. You know that what is the purpose of this mapping part specifically? These are good for the major incident manager. Suppose I am giving services to my 100 of clients. Okay, and I want to know that how many major incidents are active here. I can see it from here. You can do plus or minus. Definitely question coming in the mind. Atul, report तो बन गई. Can I download this? तभी benefit है, right? Yes or no? Then
Yes.
click here, save as PNG or save as JPG. ठीक है? Now let me change the type of this report. From map to, let me show you the pivot table, multi-dimensional pivot. As soon as you change the type, your configuration will be changed. Right? When we say the map, I was able to see multiple things, but when I say the type of the pivot table, I got these things. So pivot basically क्या होता है? Column and row. ऐसे रहता है ना? Row and column का जो concept रहता है मेरा, वो मेरा pivot table है. Let's create a simple pivot here. I want to see the assigned nahi. Let's take some simple one just to show you. Wait. Go here. Let's put some category because these are the standard one. It is easy for a quick reporting. And class. These things I want to see as a column. Okay. And in the row, I want to see cost currency, and I want to see environment. Okay. And click on the run. It will bring a lot of data. See. We have very limited fields here. See. We say category and class as a column. cost and environment as a row, and it bring a data for me. You can just scroll there. If you want to put any condition on these results, then come to this place, open condition builder. I want that class is, I want to see only class is computer. Okay, let me click on the run. See, my table become small here. So you can use your conditions here very easily. No restrictions on that part. In the parallel, I come to this part, aggregation. You want, I am showing here as a count. You can say show here as a sum. Click run. See, sum is 0, 0. Because how you can add up apple and orange in a one place? If I say okay, maximum, run. You cannot generate a report because this function will not work on this type of conditions. Let me go count distinct. These things are good or useful when you create a report for the incident, major incidents, then it is good. See, 0. Okay, and if I go to the style, let me go to the my count here and go here, and let me go to the style. Let it be run first. Okay, now display 0. मतलब जहां जो वैल्यू नहीं वहां 0 डिस्प्ले करो. Display row lines, display column lines. You want to put some title, you can put the title here. Okay, chart title you want to put, you want to do the size, color you want to change. So you can change the color as well. Red, and click on the run. See these things. But remember one thing, until unless you will not save your report, you will not able to get the data next time. So saving is very much important point here. Let me save my report. Now my report has been saved. Okay, number 1 point. Second, which is important, report info. What you want to see about the report? The basics, if you want to know, you can check it here. This is very much important. Sharing. I created one report and I want to share that report with all of you, so that you guys also can use that report in your day-to-day routine life. I click on the share here. Share. If you click on the share, you can share with me, with everyone, with group or the user. Put the group name here, put the username here. That person is able to see the report. Okay. These things I'll not do the practical. It is your homework now. Very easy to do. Okay. And do one thing, share the report, impersonate that person and see if that report is available or not for him or her. Schedule. Okay. The best example of schedule is my alarm. Every day it has been fixed to give a ring at 6:30 to me, and I will get up. That is the purpose of the schedule here, right? The same manner, I want this report should come to me every day at 9:30 in my mailbox. Okay. I have two options. Either go there and run it or fetch it for me. Okay. Otherwise, I can schedule that report as well. That every time it should come to me on the given time frame. Okay. So if I want to schedule it, let me go and show you here. Generally, specifically this point for you guys, Santosh, Narayan, Uma, and Dipesh. We never ever give these rights to any of my operation guy. Why? It is a question for you guys. You need to tell me tomorrow that why this role is not given to everyone. Dipesh, just put this question for the discussion. Okay, this thing. अब बात आती है कि when I am doing a scheduling, then what facility available for me? You can put the user or group that to whom this report should go out. Number one point. Okay, you can put user here. You can put the group here. So this is totally up to you. You guys need to do this part. Email address. You can put your personal email address. It will give a report to you. You can put a subject here. You can put a message here. Hello, this is my report and all these things. You can decide in which format you want the report, PDF, landscape, or the PDF, and leave all these things. These two, and page you can mention as a for always. That will be good. But my question still remain. Atul, report आएगा कब? Where are the conditions? And here are the conditions for me. When to run this report? And this is the best part which I love in ServiceNow here. I said I want this report on the daily, weekly, monthly, periodically, once, on demand, business calendar start, business calendar end. These things. I said daily. Daily, what time you want? I want it should come at the 09. 9 बजे मेरे मेल बॉक्स में आना चाहिए. अभी 9 बजे कौन सा टाइम है? It is the time which is on your profile, not it is the time which you are able to see on your watches now or wall clock now. Okay, so be careful when you're setting up these things. I want it should be go the weekly which day you want. See the smartness of tool now. Monthly, which day of month you want. I want periodically. After how many days you want, and when it should be start. Discounting should be start. Once, बस मुझे आज एक ही दिन रिपोर्ट चाहिए. On demand, you go and click on demand. Business start days, when your business is starting. Calendar type, future or past. I want as a future only. Okay, so these things you can do the R&D at your end. It's easy. And it is good to be understood by your end. Okay, when I click on the given time, put the time frame here, the mail will come to me if I add my name or the group here. Okay, any doubt till this point?
No.
No, sir.
Okay. Now add to dashboard, I'm leaving it here. Export to PDF. If you want to export these records in the PDF format, export to PDF, click, and it will generate it for you. You cannot download this particular pivot table in the Excel sheet. Okay, pivot you cannot download. I click on the download here. Click export. Let it be open. See, I can get my complete results. Right? And finally publish. If I publish this, it means if I share this link with anyone, if I copy this link with anyone, anyone can open this report at his or her end. Sharing or publishing में ये फर्क है. Publish will work only when you share this link with anyone, they can access this report. And share means I'm giving the rights to everyone to use or see my report. Okay. In the YouTube, when I upload my videos, so I have three options: public, listed, and draft, or sorry, and private. When I say listing, it means if I create a video and put listing as a mark on that, I will share the link with anyone. Only those people can see my videos, not everyone in the publicly. Okay, these things. So this is basically from the reporting perspective. Tomorrow we will do little bit on the reporting admin part and the dashboard stuff. Okay, let's not take the class little longer now. I'm sure that even I'm excited to go for the Holi now. Okay, so before that, any question, any doubt, any clarity you guys need it here? I'm sure that this is very much clear, but only thing which you need to be remember, do the practice for the reporting. Okay. Okay, guys, any question, any doubt, any clarification you need it here?
No, sir.
Very good. If Tejal says, then I assume that everybody will have a no and then. Dipesh, Anjan, Uma, Narayan, Santosh, Shilpi, Ishwari. Any doubt?
Yeah, all good, all good.
All good, right?
All good.
Okay. Just do a practice for today. 1 or 2 reports created today. Okay. And tomorrow we will close this topic now. Okay.
Sure, Atul.
Okay, guys. Okay, before I say okay, wish you very, very happy Holi. Stay safe. Definitely play Holi at home only and enjoy your day. Okay.
Thanks, Atul. Happy Holi to you too.
Sure.
Happy
Bye.
Holi all.
Yeah.
Bye.
Can you stay back for a minute?
Yes. Let me stop the recording first then.
Yeah.